What's up, guys and ladies? This is what's happening right now in Siem Reap, Cambodia for the Cambodian New Year, for the Khmer New Year. This is the third and last night of this celebration, and some water craziness is happening. You might have seen the short video that I posted yesterday or 2 days ago or something. I'm not sure when this is gonna come up. But yeah, I was not fully prepared, but now I am. I dressed for the opportunity. Earlier I did a little bit of a live stream on Twitch, but I think the image quality was not so great watching through, you know, this plastic casing. So I thought I would come back to the center and capture. Okay, Happy New Year. And capture what's left of it. It's past midnight now. I think we're coming close to 1 a.m. So it might be tapering down, but it's still pretty lively. So I thought I would go back and try and capture what's left of it. Let's go. Oh man, right in the air. No, okay. The fuck? Alright, that was not cool. Somebody just grabbed my junk. Somebody just grabbed my dick and ran away. Oh man. This is what happens when you're holding one of those. If you're not carrying a weapon, you might still get attacked here and there, but far less. Hello. Oh. We're not even at the most dense place yet. We're getting there. Oh, he's filling it up with ice cold water. Ice cold. It's straight from the cooler with big blocks of ice.
My boss
This is savage. Huh?
I can't can do for you a cheap ride, but cannot free.
How much is it?
Actually 1,500 real, but now only 1,000 real for you.
But over there is 1,000, over there is 500.
Cold water, sir.
Cold water is more expensive. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. I don't want more on me. Okay.
Okay, so cool.
Oh, so full. Oh, jeez, it's so cold. No, run away with it.
This is my boss here.
Yeah, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
Okay, thank you.
My money is completely wet. 1,000. Boy point. One more point right here. All right. I'm telling you tonight, people who are selling, there are a lot of different shops selling water on the side of the road. A lot of people selling water on the side of the road like this, and they're making banks. They're making so much money tonight. Tap water is really, oh man, right in the eye. Tap water is really cheap. So they're making a good profit. All right, let's go to the party. Happy New Year. Oh, I'm getting powdered. Happy New Year. Not a beer, it's a... Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Alright, let me try to give you... Alright, let me try to give you a different point of view. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! And see what it looks like from up there. Okay. Happy New Year to you too. Okay, Happy New Year! an end yet. It's still gonna keep going for a little while. What I showed you earlier was pretty much like the kind of the center, you know, like 3 or 4 blocks where the biggest part of the party is happening, but it's pretty much this happening all over town. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Everywhere at different levels of intensity, but it's happening all over town. All right, that's it. Happy New Year. Like we say here is Saturday Mai, and I'll catch you in the next video.